Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Fozzy Mode in Haier refrigerator. And to do this, first we'll need to unlock our control panel by holding our finger onto the lock. Now I've just locked it just to show you. You can see the icon, that means you can press anywhere onto the control panel. So to remove it, as I've mentioned, click and hold it for around 5 seconds. Now when it's removed, you will find the Fozzy Mode that we can click on to enable or disable it. When there's a light underneath a Fozzy Mode, that means it's enabled. When you click on it again, it should be gone, and that means you can adjust manual settings for all of the temperature settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.